This simple and flavorful pasta with just few ingredients is my personal favorite. Hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a quick fix pasta dish prepared by my husband. Bring water to a boil in a pot. Add pasta and cook per instructions in the package. In a heated pan, add olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Add thinly sliced garlic and spread them to cook evenly. Add chopped dried anchovies to the pan. Add sun-dried tomatoes and saute until the garlic and anchovies start to turn brown. Spinach and mix everything together. You can substitute the spinach with broccoli or kale or any other greens. Now add boiled pasta into the pan and mix well. Add salt and pepper to your taste and squeeze some lemon juice. Also add some lemon zest. It goes really well with the anchovies. And that is it. Doesn't get easier than that. I hope you'll enjoy the recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.